Vampire Weekend. How's it go? These are the pyramids of Dan. Behold, Dan's many varied interests. On the one hand, Dan likes cut copy and LCD sound system. Yet on the other, Harmony Korine and Devendra Banhart. He is a man of the world, Dan. Josh. David. Build something hard, build something out of wood, build something that's even a little bit less glamorous, that someone wouldn't even give a fuck about if they saw it. Build something that people commonly overlook and that you're just a fucking beating ground for work that gets done and no one even sees it. That's what you gotta do, because when you're one of those guys, you got a little bit more fulfillment. On the train to fucking nowhere. Jump on the fucking train to nowhere. Better yet, scratch that. Jump on the speed train to nowhere fast. I bought you a ticket.
I have sailed the peaceful waters of the ocean.